Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your Pixlr account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pixlr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pixlr website. Click on the sign up/login button at the top section and then click on the use email option. You will now be asked to enter your email address and your password. Just click on the forgot password option at the bottom section and you will now be asked to enter your email address. Just type in your email address that you use to log into your account and then click on the request code button. You will now be asked to check your inbox to find your verification code. So log into your email address that you used while logging in and signing up to your account and you will now find the code that will allow you to reset your password. Just type in your desired new password within the new password box and then click on I'm not a robot to verify your identity. After entering both your desired new password and the verification code, click on the update password button and now you will be told that your password has successfully been updated. You can now log in using this newly set up password that you have just changed into within your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your Pixlr account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.